how to solve the second last question on the 2025 Gcse Maths Edexcel paper. Okay, so first let's find the probability of the two balls adding to an even number. So how can we get an even number? We can get an even number by doing even plus even, because that gets us even. We can also do odd plus odd, because that also gets us even. Because if we look at 3 plus 5, that is 8. Okay, however, odd plus even, 1 plus 4 is 5. So no, odd plus even is odd. Okay, so let's find the probability of picking an even and then an even. And we're going to add the probability of picking an odd and an odd. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the probability of picking an even, the probability of picking an even is 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4 over 9. And the probability of picking another even directly after this is 3 over 8. Now how did I get 3 over 8? Because it says the question is slightly wrong in the thing. This is supposed to say up here without replacement. Okay, that basically means you don't put the ball back in. So that means the total, say we picked 2 initially. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 balls left. Okay, out of these 8 balls, we only have 1, 2, 3, which are even. Hence why we're doing this. Okay, and I can just do that. I can just cancel. So we get 1 over 6. Okay, but I also have to add the probability of getting an odd after an odd. So the probability of initially getting an odd is going to be 5 over 9. And getting an odd the second time is going to be 4 over 8. Okay, and this is just a half times 5 over 9, which is just 5 over 18. Okay, now I'm going to add these two values up. 1 over 6 plus 5 over 18 is equal to 3 over 18 plus 5 over 18, which is 8 over 18. Okay, we can simplify this to 4 over 9. Okay, now let's find the probability of getting to multiplying two balls and then being even. So in order to get in order to get an even, we can either do even times even, which is even, or odd times even is also even. So if you look at 1 times 2 is 2, which is even. And obviously we can do even times odd as well, which is also even. So the only one that we can't do is odd times odd. Okay? So let's just work out the probability of getting odd times odd and then subtracting this value from 1. Okay? So probability of getting odd and then odd. The thing is, we've already worked this out. This is 5 over 18. So let's do 1 minus 5 over 18, which is going to be 18 over 18. So this is 13 over 18. Okay? Now, we have to compare these values. So if I times this by 2, you've got 8 over 18. And here we have 13 over 18 here. So clearly, there's a greater probability when we multiply of it being even, because 13 over 18 is greater than 8 over 18. So therefore, the two balls adding to an even number has a less probability than the two balls multiplying to an even number, because 8 over 18 is less than 13 over 18. Okay, thank you for watching.